Alright, welcome back to Shem's Universe. So today guys, we're going to discuss birthday number 22. Sorry about the background noise guys, just in a different environment today, but I'm going to get this over and done with as quickly as possible to give you guys a good synopsis of how this number works, and also go through the pros and cons, careers, and my own personal recommendations. So to start off, birthday number 21 involves the birth number of 2, which is the moon, which is lunar energy, then the number of 1, which is the sun, and then you get the 3, which is Jupiter. So this is like two positives with a negative. I don't mean to say the 2 is negative, but it is the only negative number that's within this whole numerological conjunction. So you get the number 2, which is moon energy, which makes you highly imaginative, fertile imagination, of course. You're very, very good at conceiving great ideas. The difference between you and the number 20 is that you actually bring these ideas into reality, whereas the 20 might be a little bit dreamy because it's just a water element. So you have the 1 as well, which balances it. It's fire, it's the hot element, center of attention, wants to bring things down to this earth, this physical realm. Then you get 3, which is very dictatorial, very militant. So that's why it definitely works. If you have the number 21, you're going to have a number that's extremely powerful, a great performer, great for speaking in front of people, and extremely good luck as well. 21 is considered a very good luck number, the opposite of number 13. So if you do have this number, guys, I'd recommend understanding that you do have good luck. You can do a lot of different things in regards to sales, in regards to just really managing other people. You have a very dictatorial nature to you, where you like to boss people around, and you definitely consider money very important, especially in this day and age. With that being said, I'd advise you not to be too obsessive with money, and also do not get too depressed. The emotional volatility with the number 2 within the 21 causes a lot of emotional volatility that can lead to you not making money because you get your emotions to get the best of you. So what you want to do is focus on a target, focus on a goal, which is not hard for you guys because you have the 3, and just take action towards that goal and give yourself that pat on the back every now and then to let yourself know that you're doing a good job. So that's more so the Westerners' numerology, their depiction of it. The Easterners describe 21 as a very good luck number as well, so they both share that. They say it's good for promotions. So if you're within a company, in Chaldean numerology, they say that you're going to get fast promotion. If you're a salesperson, you'll be recognized very quickly. If you do a great job, like even if you're working at something like Walmart, you'll become a manager very easily just because you'll be recognized for your talents and skills. You also can learn very quickly, meaning because you have fire and water, which is like fire and ice, and then it turns into Jupiter, which is the biggest planet in our universe, your ability to attract attention is something that's quite easy for you. You naturally do belong in the spotlight. I'd recommend doing anything that revolves around anything like the performance, dance, singing, writing, journalism, even like being a news anchor. You want to be on camera, like the same thing that I'm doing, even do YouTube. Because the thing about it is you naturally will be able to attract people to you. You're a very action-oriented person. If you try to overthink about what you're doing, that will cause you a big detriment because you're not really used to having to think about things. You more so just want to do them. You live in more a very present moment, which is actually very healthy, meaning you seize the moment and you take advantage of it. If you're hearing me say this and you're saying that doesn't sound anything like me, I'd check, like I always say, life path number and name number. See how they balance out the 21, and then make your energy transmutation from there. Because you want to concentrate on what exactly it is that you're doing, and then see why it is that things are not working out for you. So maybe it could be involved to like a career or relationship. Maybe you're with somebody who's not as creative as you. Maybe you're in a job that doesn't actually exploit your creative potential. But creativity is the key word for the 21 because it does equate to 3 and it does equate to artistic expression. You need to have that artistic expression in order to actually have success. Without it, you're not going to be happy and you're going to regret everything that you do in life. Money definitely plays a big role. I recommend doing something that's going to make you big money. The entertainment industry always offers big money anyways. But you want to always like look at it from a sense of, is this my passion or am I just doing this for money? If you can look at it from a sense of, I'm doing this as my passion, I'm doing this because it's a creative outlet, I'm singing or I'm dancing or I'm writing because I genuinely enjoy it, you're going to consciously be able to say, yes, I enjoy what I'm doing for a career and I find fulfillment at the end of each day. In comparison to you just becoming some sort of like, no disrespect, like a banker or a lawyer or anything like that, where you're just doing it for the money. You would succeed in those areas as well because your mind is very smart, very diligent, and you have a high level of energy as the number 3. It's the child of numerology. But you just want to make sure that you can and will be able to overcome the bad days. The weaknesses of this number, as I stated earlier, was emotional volatility. That's the only one really. You guys do tend to suffer from depression a lot, just because if you do not get an outlet for your creativity, it will cause depression. It's going to seize up inside of your body. It can even cause sicknesses as well. Watch out for overheating due to Jupiter as well, and that may be a cause of literally you just not being able to express yourself within the right outlet. Alright guys, so that would consist of number 22. We have a big video coming on the 21, excuse me. The 22 video that we have coming tomorrow is going to be really big. It's another master number again. We're going to be definitely, might be a bit longer than the usual ones, just because certain numbers do demand a little more explanation than others. The good luck numbers I noticed don't really demand much explanation, because it's like, you have good luck, do what suits you, and you're going to be able to attract it easily. Some of the master numbers are numbers like 7 and 8. They demand a little more attention of mine, just because I need to help people actually realize that, hey, you might be doing this, XYZ, but you need to be doing something different. And you also have to just work within yourself to overcome the obstacles that's been presented due to the numbers that's in your cheat code. All of these numbers, nevertheless, are always in the cheat code though. Whether you have good or negative numbers, there's a way to utilize them to the best of your ability and then actually turn your life around and twist it on its head. So that's what I'm here to do for you guys, is just show you guys the cheat codes, and then you can do what you want to do with it from there. Right guys, so thank you very much for the time today. If you guys have any other questions about the birthday number 22, or 21, excuse me, I know I keep saying 22, but the birthday number 21, if you have any other questions regarding it, let me know, and we'll definitely cover it as well. I'll even do another video if need be, but I just need the feedback from you guys to know what you guys require, and I'll help you out individually if need be as well. Alright, so like, subscribe, holla at me back tomorrow. Thank you.